So because you've all signed the lease together, you are all liable for that lease together unless you sign an amendment that removes one of you from that lease. And that would have to be signed by all parties that signed the lease, including your landlord. So if I would recommend that your friend have a conversation with the landlord, especially if the situation at the property is uncomfortable or unsafe. Have your friend reach out to the landlord, explain the situation. Hopefully the landlord is going to be sympathetic and will just release your friend from their obligations under the lease. Get an amendment signed because that'll protect your friend in the event that the remaining tenants do anything to the property and then disappear and your friend is the only one that your landlord can contact. If they haven't been removed from the lease agreement, they will technically still be liable under that agreement. So first, if the landlord is willing to let your friend leave, get an amendment signed, move on and find something else. If your landlord is not, your friend has a right to assign their tenancy. So they could find someone to take over their share. The landlord would have to approve them, but the landlord also can't unfairly refuse that process either. But I think initially I would just reach out to the landlord, explain the situation and have sort of a human-to-human conversation. I think often you'll find that it'll be quite cooperative and you'll be able to move on comfortably and move away from any kind of discomfort or liability that you still carry.